Hello guys, today's Sunday and it's a complete washout today. I think, is it 24th of November or something? 25th? I don't know. Complete washout. It's been absolutely chucking it down. So what I'm going to do is I brought a load of stuff home from that Thunderace. There's the coils, the exhaust, the surround, that under tray, the radiator, the petrol tank, the wiring loom, all stuff in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just clean these up today, to be honest with you. So I'll take the coils off and I'll give this tray thing a clean. I'm going to be using this I get from my brother. It's called degreaser. I don't know if you can see that or not. Can you see that? Bloody hell, I can't even see it, man, because my eyes are going. But anyway, it's called Ecotech engine degreaser, so I get that off him. It's brilliant stuff. Well, I'll show you. So all I'm going to do is put a little bit in one of these tubs. These tubs, by the way, I've got 4 of them. They're for my carburetors when I do that thing, because I've had the stuff delivered now for the jets and the float bowl gaskets and stuff. So I'll be doing a video on that soon. But I'll put a bit of this in, and we'll clean that, and I'll show you them. Right, so I've put the screws and then plastic things in there, so they'll get degreased. And don't forget, the right hand coil is plugs 1 and 4, and the left hand coil is 2 and 3. So that's why I've put the left hand coil there, the right hand coil there, whatever. So what I'll do now is I'll give this a quick brush with that stuff, both sides, and then I'll take it outside and wash it. And you'll see the difference. Look how grubby it is now. So we'll see the difference. I should be wearing gloves, but I can't bloody find them as well. I don't know where my bloody gloves are. But anyway, right. So I've done one side, I'm going to leave it to soak in, but I just want to show you this. I hope you can see it. Come on, focus in. It's a squirrel. I put food out every day for the squirrels and the ravens. Because we have ravens and rooks here. Oh, you can't bloody see it, can you? It didn't zoom in, it didn't focus in. Come on, focus in. No, it didn't have it. It's because I'm trying to do it through the window. Anyway. So, all I do is brush it on with a paintbrush. I shall do the other side, and I'll take it outside and wash it. Right, so we've given that a clean now. It's a lot better than it was. I've cleaned the coils as well and everything. Cleaned all the leads. So that's ready to be put back on. So I'm just going to pop that up there out of the way. So I might just do this exhaust next, because that's getting way, and I can leave that to dry somewhere, can't I then? So I'll get this exhaust done. Right. Oh, that was one filthy exhaust, believe it or not. So I've had my wire brush on it. Why do motorcyclists scrub exhaust pipes and car drivers don't? Anyway, so that's thoroughly degreased and whatever. It's still not brilliant, but it's better than what it was. So I'm seriously thinking about getting some black paint, some heat temperature paint, and painting it, or leaving it. I don't know. I might paint it black, I don't know, but anyway. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get that off, put a bit of copper fucking slip on it, whatever, copper grease on it, and then put it back on. And then that'll go to one side then, and then we'll carry on. Right, so I've got the exhaust hanger off, and I've got that thing out of the middle of it, that shim thing, whatever it is, and I've thoroughly put a bit of grease on. So what I'm going to do is put it back together, because once this is on there, and bolted on and tightened up really tight, you should still be able to spin that around, if that makes sense. So what I'll do is I'm going to put the camera round my neck and I'll see if I can film myself doing it. Just rest it on my big belly like that. And the bolt goes in there like that. Again, you should really wear gloves for this, but I can't bloody find them, so I don't know where the hell they've gone. Right, so what I'm going to do, by the way, this little bolt at the front here, that's a 12mm, and this one at the back is a 14mm. So if I tighten that up as much as I can, that should still, so that bolt was proper tightened up, but that should still spin round. Lovely job there. Like that, and obviously that's upside down, the exhaust upside down, but when that's fastened onto the bike, then that's where your I think your overflow pipes or your water pipes or whatever come out, hang down there. But that's properly sorted now. So like I say, I'm in two minds whether to, I think I will get some paint, some heat-proof paint, high temperature paint. And I think I will paint all this, to be honest with you, but I'll need to leave it to thoroughly dry out. So I'm going to put that to one side now, and then we'll crack on with the next thing. On with the mudguard next, the front part of the front mudguard. So I'm going to give that a quick clean. I've taken the rubbers out, so the rubbers are in here. Make sure that you keep them that are in the rubbers as well. Right, so I'll give that a quick clean. The stuff I'm cleaning, I'm doing in no particular order. I'm just sort of like cleaning and then I can put it to one side. Because as you can see, my shed's a bit fucking full. I've got all that ZX12 stuff there that I need to sort out and fix somewhere. Anyway, I'll do the mudguard and then I'll do the tank. That's now degreased, so what I will do is I will take that home, well down home, dry it off properly, get some decent rags, and I'll put some polish on it, just to protect it a little bit more. And guess what? This is me rag tub. I was getting another rag. Look what I found. All my fucking gloves, my packs of gloves. Temu again. Fucking Temu's brilliant, man. Anyway, right, next thing I'll do the same with tank. Right, the tank's all washed, degreased, washed, rinsed, out there drying. I'll take that down home, get some polish on it. I've had all these in bits, so I'm going to put this back together with a bit of grease. Yeah, and I'll put that back on the tank. So a few more bits now. Obviously that's the exhaust that was on the bike. Absolutely no baffles in it whatsoever. I'm not surprised that were loud. So I think I can use that exhaust hanger, so I'm going to put that in the box. I'll clean that up, clean this up. You see how it's corroded in there? So I'll wash all that out and clean that up, and whatever. So I'm not going to bother putting that hanger on because I don't plan on taking passengers. This one I'm going to have to put on, but I don't think I'll have the footrest on it. But as you can see, look, that I can't even move that. That should move as well. So I'll get cracked on with that, and then I'm calling it a do for today. Whew. That bloody rubber took some getting out of there, but as you can see, look, that's all the, I think that's all the like aluminium and stuff that's started going, I don't know, but anyway. So I need to clean that rubber, put it back together. That's a lot better now. Well, better than it was. It's not perfect, but anyway, I've had that rubber out, greased it all up, so they can go in the box with the coils. Like I say, there's going to be no foot pegs on that on the back, so that can stay there. I haven't got time to do all this today because our lass is going out, so I will continue later on.